This video provides an overview of asset management. Starting at the Home dashboard, we can view the Assets section. This is contained on the left-hand side. The Assets page provides an overview and the current list of existing assets. This section contains the asset name, category, auto-generated token number, and current asset status. There is the option to allocate an asset and to edit it. The tabs along the top allow you to filter the page view by status and type. We are also able to arrange the view by alphabetical order or simply search by specific word. First, let's view the various categories. To do this, go to Settings and select Asset Categories. Here we can see all the asset categories which are currently available on this demo system. If we wanted a new category, we can hit the Create button. Follow the prompts and create a new asset category. For demonstration purposes, we'll look at a category that has already been created. This is for pool cars. By viewing, we can see that the category has been given a name. The category cannot be created externally. This could be changed to yes if we allow external users to create their own assets. There is the option to set this as a long-term asset. For example, if an employee was going to use the pool car for a few months, then this could be set as a long-term asset. In this example, the pool car has been set to short-term, so that the system will know it needs returning upon sign-out. If any additional fields are available for asset categories, then these would show here. For more information regarding creating fields, please refer to our how-to video, specifically for fields. We can also see that a document has been allocated to this asset. The Pool Car Fleet Insurance. All requirement documents or training, which have been created on the system, are showing here. If a document is required for this asset, we can allocate this here. We can see that a driving license is required for this asset. A warning will be given if this has not been provided when assigning assets. For more information regarding documents, please refer to our document training video. For any changes, click Update Category. Once we are happy with our categories, we can go back into the Assets tab. In this demo data, we have some assets available which have already been generated. If you wanted to create a new one, for example, another set of keys, just hit the Create button. Select the location where the asset is based. Choose from one of the existing categories. Name the asset. There is also the option to import a spreadsheet. This allows a bulk upload of assets. To do this, download the template Excel file. The template can be populated with multiple assets, then uploaded to the system. Once the information for the new asset has been entered, press the Create button. The new asset would then appear in your list. We are now ready to assign some assets. An asset can be allocated to anyone in the system. We may want to give an asset to a visitor, a contractor, or an employee. In this example, we will assign an asset to someone who has signed in. Let's go to the dashboard to see who is currently on site. We can see that Franklin, one of our contractors, is on site. Now go to the Asset page. In this scenario, we are going to give him the chocolate room keys. Press on Allocate and search for Franklin. The asset, keys, that we've selected is showing here. We are able to issue additional assets, like a pool car. If we do, we can see that a warning appears. This alerts us to the fact that some documentation may be missing for this asset to be issued. We have the option to remove the asset. Alternatively, we may want to inspect the person's profile, asset requirements and documents before issuing. In this scenario, we will only issue the chocolate room key at this time. Hit Allocate. The keys are now booked out to our contractor. Go back to the dashboard and refresh. The asset icon is now highlighted next to him on the dashboard, under Properties. By clicking to view Franklin's visit record, we can see that he has got the keys asset allocated to him. Because the room keys are a short-term asset, Franklin would be notified that these need to be returned first when trying to sign out. To return the keys, simply go into the Assets page, find the asset, and click Return. The keys are now booked back in and are available to reissue. An asset can also be assigned in another way, directly from the dashboard. Let's now assign an asset to our other visitor on site. If we click the three dots connected to the visit, a drop-down is available for assigning an asset. We'll now select this option. We can start typing the name of the asset we require and click to select. Then we can allocate. The asset that we have assigned has now been allocated to our visitor. This video has been helpful in explaining how to create asset categories and individual assets. We have also covered issuing and returning them. Thank you for watching.